Okay, we are applying volume formulas. So we learned what the formula was. It's base times height, or length times width times height. Both prisms have the same dimensions and have the same volume. So here we could count the squares if we wanted to. Here, here, the dimensions are just here. So here's your length, here's your width, and here's your height. See how they correlate between the two of them. All right. Mike is making a box that holds his favorite DVDs. The length of the box is 7 inches. The width of the box is 5 inches, and the height is 3 inches. What is the volume of the box Mike is making? Okay, we could use length times width times height, which is the formula for, you can use the formula to find the volume of a rectangle prism. Volume equals length times width times height. Length times width times height. Okay, so the length we said was 7 inches. The width is 5, and the height is 3. So we could do, and it's however you prefer to multiply, length times width, which is probably easiest, 35. 35 times, well, we know it's 3. That's the height. And if you're not sure, 35 times 3, 105. 105 cubic inches, or cubed. Okay, if you know your facts and you remember that formula, it should be pretty easy. Another way to do it is when sometimes they say they give you the base. And this is kind of important because your volume could also be base times height. Know that this here is your base. So 5 times 4 is 20. So, Emilio's family has a sandcastle kit. The kit includes molds of several solid figures that can be used to make sandcastles. One of the molds is a rectangular prism like the one shown to the right. How much sand will it take to fill this? Okay, so we got to figure out the base first, which is 5 times 4, and the height is 8 inches. So the base is 20 times 8. And we know it's 160 cubed, or 160 cubic inches to fill the fan. All right, so I think you guys are going to rock and roll on this. So I would like you to work with your partner on both of these. We better look at this one because this one has an unknown. Here, I want you to do this one with your partner. Then let's look at this one. All right. We know what the total volume is. So we have 5 times 4, because that's our thing, and 5 times 4 is 20. And so we have 20 times what will get me to 60. Well, this one's pretty easy because we know that 20 times what? 3 equals 60. But if we didn't, we could have always done what we know for algebra. If you don't know one of the factors, you can use your opposite or your inverse operation of division. So we could have took our 60, our volume, and divided it by 20, crossed out the zeros, and we got 3. So we know we have 3 cm, or so the unknown measurement is 3 centimeters. So that's just taking everything you know, because sometimes you're going to get that where they give you the volume, but they're not giving you the rest. Okay, I would like you to do share and show with your partner. Whoops. And on your own with your partner, going deeper, and find the algebraic. You know how to do this. You're good at it. Homework, everything but 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all of the back. And if you have time, because you guys are rocking on this, shoot for the problem solve application when you're all done. These go a little bit deeper, makes you really use what you already know. Take what you know. This will help you with the Smarter Balance test. Go to work, guys.